Hi guys, so welcome back. So in the last video, we have developed some basic custom checkboxes and designs, right? We have developed our list view as well, right? So now, today we will continue and complete this design. Okay. So let me just go to our back to our home page here, and then we have column, right? So now here it is having some container here. Let me create one file here first, and then we will design it. UI new file, uh, habit chart dot dot. Okay, and here I'll create a stateless function. We have habit chart. Okay, and we have some sort of container. Okay, habit chart, and I'll just put it here. And there is some difference. Let me check. Yeah, so we have around differences 20. Okay, and I'll import it, and here I'll add some text here. uh, let's say today's habits. Okay, and we have textile as textile, format document. Okay, let me just copy its CSS and paste it somewhere. So we have uh quick fix import body text 18, and we have, okay, font weight. Let me check. Font weight is 400. Okay, we have to add some changes here. Font weight, we have font weight dot 600. We have added. Color we have to add. Copy, and let me just check. Color, not this one, sorry. Okay, copy, and color, app colors dot up, sorry, yeah. Format document. Yep. Okay, and font weight I have added. I have, okay. There is one thing that I haven't checked. Let me check. We can add a height. 1 second. Very dark gray color, and we have colors dot from, sorry, color dot from ARGB. Okay, and which is 255, and it is 36, 37, and 36. 36, 37, 36. Okay, 36, 37, 36. Sorry, yeah. And we have a good format document, and it's text align dot left. uh okay, cross axis alignment dot start. Okay, Is there any padding? No, there is no padding here. Yeah, everything looks fine. Now we'll develop our chart. Okay, so here we have our uh, habit chart. Let me check the styling here. We have background color as white. Decoration, box decoration, colors. I think I have added something. Okay, we can use colors dot white. Then we have some border areas as circular. 8. Then we have border all width is 1. Let me just format it. Okay, and now we have a color as well. Let me check if I have added this color. Copy, paste. Okay, so if I'm not wrong, okay, so we can remove this one and add this one. Okay, I haven't checked that. Okay, uh, so we have, okay, copy, and let me check. Okay, there is no color defined this yet. And the name is, okay, very light gray color. Format document. Okay, and then we have added color, we have added border radius. Okay, we have to add the box shadow. So let me bring the box shadow here. Format document. And let me check now. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, I haven't added something like F12. I have used it. Copy app colors dot with opacity as 7. I'm not wrong. Let me check if I have used with alpha. Okay. Yes. Okay, so copy and paste. Okay. Uh, yeah, everything looks perfect. Uh, Text. Let me first add padding some. So we have symmetric padding 18 and 17. Okay. Okay. And we have 2 days progress style textile. I'll add these strings in our abstract class. Okay. Let me just design it, then I'll add. And then we have font size as 24. Okay. Dot copy width. I have added which font weight. Okay, weight 500. We have font weight as 700. And then we have uh, then we have font family. Selected dot. Okay, then we have font weight. I have added. Uh, okay, then we have height. Then we have color. Let me check. Copy and paste. Okay, I'll add width. Its width as media query dot off dot size dot width. Okay, so it will take the whole width, and we have to make sure that okay, let me just align it. Not sure if it will take. Okay, so also let me check the uh, previous one also. Okay, yeah, everything looks fine. Yeah, now we can add our chart here, but for chart we need to add the same library we used to have in our previous project, right? So we will use the same thing. Let me find out, just a second. Yeah, so I have founded it. Let me add it here. Flutter bad, and so let me use it here. But firstly, let me add some size box here with some height, I guess. We can add some 20, and then we can have a pie chart with having some data map here. Yeah, so I have copied some details from our previous project, as you can see here. Okay, I'll add some temporary data as of now. So uh, there is no text here, and we will add some, suppose 50, and we have total as 100, and we have um just a second, guys. Let me just have a exact color code. uh have colors. Okay, we don't have this sort of color here, so let me just add it. And we call it as white gray color. I'll add. Okay, I didn't find any such exact name, so I'll add this one as of now. Okay, and inside that we have copy. Okay, so we are here colors dot. Okay, let me run it. We have 96. I'll see if I have. Okay, this. Okay, this will not work. Not this one. Uh, false. I think we are not showing as per design. We are not showing. Uh, format document and false legend labels. Show legends false. We can add now the text. Okay. Uh, and also one thing I want to tell you that I have downloaded all the icons. Okay, so the icons I got somewhere. So I'll provide one link in the description. You can just go to that link and search the icons. Okay, you'll find out those related icons. Okay, so I have already downloaded, and I'll just copy it in our VS code. I mean project. Uh, Images. Then we have paste it. Okay, and I'll go our pub spec and I'll add here. Now it will find it. Okay. So we have assets, images, and then we have icons. Okay. Uh, Rather than doing this stuff, let me add into this one. Rather than this, we can just delete it. Don't need the icons folder here. And yep. Okay. So uh, format document, save, and I have added some hard-coded strings. So let me just fix it. Cut. Copy, save, and Click fix import and save. Uh, it will be removed. Today's habits, cut, and I'll paste it here. Copy, save, and app strings. Okay, and we can now run it. Now we will have a file here called app assets. We can have class app assets. Here we can define our direct variables we can use. Okay, so I'll take help from here. Copy, paste. So here first image which I need is that in that check mark icon one. Let me check circle check. Uh, yeah, this one circle check. Okay, circle check icon, or we can, yeah, we can have circle check icon. And now we will add assets, images, slash, and I'll just rename, copy, paste. Okay, I'll just run it again because we have changed some things. Format document, save, and now I can use it. I'll add some size box. I'll add a height. How much height we need? Okay, we need 16. Now we have SVG picture. If I have, do I have a SVG picture? Okay, I don't have. Okay, we can use let me try with, see, usually we use when we import our SVG, so we use have a SVG package, but okay, no issues. Let me just check once SVG better. Okay, and we will have here dot asset, and then we have app asset, start a circle check, format document. You can just have a hot restart here. Okay, we have to define firstly color. So let me just took the color and copy, sorry, format document, color filter. Okay, so it said use color filter. Okay, we can try that as well. Okay, so it is saying we can have dot mode, and we have blend mode dot. So it looks fine. We can add here its size. So its size would be like 24. Sorry, this one. Yeah, height we have 24. Okay, and width we have 24. Now we have to add it in a row because we have some text as well. Uh, Okay, and we have, now let me check. We have, then we can use rich text also, but okay, we can use the row. Now we have text, and of course this will be an temporary text, so I am as of now just writing hard-coded string, but it will be changed in future. Okay. We have some style, and let me check its style once. So we have style, text styles dot copy with. Okay, we have charcoal color. Okay, but we don't need the charcoal one. We font weight, we are using 600, I guess. Okay. Okay, we have to change everything. First of all, font families dot and done dot name. Then we have to add this one, utility dot make first letter capital. I was thinking rather than doing this stuff, we can have static string get font name, font family name. Okay, and then we can return make first letter capital as font family dot name. And yep, format document, and yep, uh, copy, and let me check where I have used it. Paste, and we don't need this stuff. Format document, save, paste. Then we have to change here. Then we have textiles. Okay, everything was sorted. Don't need comma here. Yep. 7 days. We have some gap here. Let me check how much gap here. Yeah, so we have some gap here. I think width will be 5. That would be, yep. Okay. Then we have a small size, I guess. Same I'll add here as height as well. Copy and paste height, and then I have some text. Okay, we have current streak. Cut. Okay. Let me just add it here. Format document. Do I have? Okay, I have already installed it. Uh, okay. Yeah, it should show some errors, but okay, no issues. We will see here. Okay. Let me check our textiles. So then we have 14 pixels. Okay, textiles dot 14 dot copy width, and then we have firstly we have font family, and we will use font families dot intern. Then we have font size. We have already defined. We have to define the font weight, which is 600. And now we have a color. Let me check if I have defined this color before. Okay, I haven't defined it. Cut. It's a slate gray color. Okay. It looks nice, I guess. I think we are matching with our design. Let me check if I have still think anything left here. Uh, just a second, guys. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. We are left with one thing here. Uh, just give me a second. I think we have to do one thing here. Adding with the okay. So here, now here I have one container. Okay, it's sorry. Yeah, we have one container here which is having width media query top dot context dot size dot width, and we have some decoration box decoration. Okay, and it will be expanded so it can be okay. Let me check if I have used this color. Okay, I have. Copy app colors with alpha as 33. Okay, I think it should show. I have to define height as well. Copy and format document, and we can do also one thing. Let me try to do this thing. I'm not sure if it works. Divider, I'll divide, I'll define here. Copy and paste. Thickness is 1. Format document, and yeah, now it is. I guess we can put this as right now. Add some items in this list. Does it still be able to handle it? Uh, Perfect. It is. It is. Yeah. What's happening with this? Okay. Uh, Let me try to. So it has list view and cut, cut and remove, remove. We'll add some list view and I'll add this form and document and paste. And if I'll just, yeah, now it's working. Okay, perfect then. Great then. We are done with our home page. We have added all the things. Maybe I have left with the one thing here, which is I can say a quote, but I think we can ignore that one, right? And do we have anything in the last? Okay, we have some buttons here, but let me check other design as well. I think we are good to. Okay, we can have next we will define our dashboard page once. Okay, so we can just create our bottom navigation bar and we can just create separate pages for all the things, right? Because I have to decide uh do should I give the add habit button in floating action bar or in our main home navigation bar, app bar, or in a floating action button. Okay, I have to decide this thing because I have two designs in which one is in bottom navigation bar and secondly is in this home page as well. Okay, so I'll see which looks more perfect, but yeah, we'll develop dashboard in the next video. Okay, bye bye.